this video, I'm going to show you how to have a voice conversation with ChatGPT. So if you want to be able to use your voice in order to talk to ChatGPT, and you can also have ChatGPT respond to you with voice as well, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. Now, first thing we need to do is go and load up ChatGPT on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your ChatGPT account, and then you can go and create a new chat like so. Once you're in this chat window, we need to go and click on the volume icon in the bottom right hand side. And as you can see, this is going to bring up the chat window where you can have a voice conversation. Now, if you want to change the ChatGPT voice, you can do that as well by ending the conversation. You can click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side, click on your profile name at the bottom left hand side. You can then scroll down to voice and click on this. Now go and select the voice that you prefer, and that's how to have a voice conversation with ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.